quick one before we start. One of the careers in this video pays well into six figures, and I'd bet most of you have never even heard the job title. We'll get to it. But first, the classic question your parents or mates will hit you with. What can you actually do with geography? Consider this your ultimate guide to the future. Today, we are looking at exactly what prestigious university degrees and lucrative career paths your pathway unlocks. If you went with the earth scientist route, you aren't just looking at standard geography degrees. Think environmental consultant, advising engineering firms on how to build infrastructure without destroying ecosystems, or climatologist, analyzing severe weather patterns for global tech and insurance companies. Remember that six-figure job I mentioned at the start? That's it. Senior climatologists working in reinsurance are some of the highest paid people in the industry, and almost nobody hears about it at school. If you chose the global leader, combining geography with economics and politics, you are primed for roles like Geopolitical Risk Analyst. The experts corporate banks hire to assess global trends, political stability, and resource scarcity before making massive multi-million-pound investments. If that sounds like your dream job, this pathway was made for you. And for the essay powerhouse, taking history and sociology. You are uniquely built for roles like urban planner, mapping out how modern cities evolve sustainably, or international aid worker, managing logistical relief strategies across the globe. Be honest, didn't part of you secretly want a job title that sounds like it belongs in a documentary? If any of those job titles caught your attention, hit that like button. It tells me you want more of these career-focused breakdowns. But before any of this becomes real, there's one thing standing between you and that path: the entry requirements. And that's exactly what we're tackling next. The future looks brilliant. But let's bring it back to reality for a second. Before you can secure those roles, you actually have to get past the gatekeepers and meet the entry requirements. In my next video, I'm breaking down a practical checklist of what grades you realistically need to get onto these courses and the specific foundational knowledge you must brush up on before you start. Hit subscribe and let's get you prepared.